Okay, today is stage 1 at HSSB Academy Bhopal. This was the photo and we'll start.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived 4 characters, 2 male and 2 females, age bracket around 26 to 28 years of age, and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is initiative brings a change in the society, and the scene is like cleaning the surroundings of a tourist attraction. Rohit, 28 years, was an IT professional. One holiday, he decided to go on a trip with his close friend who was his neighbor, along with his wife and his wife, to the Khajuraho temples, which is a UNESCO World Heritage. He readied his car and got set his location so that they don't get lost on the way. Upon reaching, they got a good view of the beautiful gardens that were maintained there, but they were very sad to see that the people were loitering their wastes around. So he took the step forward, motivated his friend and his wife to accompany him in picking up the waste in front of the loiterers so that they feel ashamed. When they were picking the waste, some people around them noticed them and started joining them in picking up the waste and putting in the garbage. This spread awareness among the people that they should be keeping their UNESCO heritages clean so that it does not put a bad impression on the people who are visiting it. Rohit was very happy to see his efforts bring about a small change in the society which would create a big impact. Thank you.
So you have spoken for 1 minute 30 seconds.
Yes.
You should close it to 1 minute, okay? Yeah, next.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived 4 characters from the story. 2 are male, 2 are female. The age bracket is between 26 to 32 and the mood is positive. The action of my story is cleanliness drive in the locality. Samarth, who works in a real estate firm, was coming back to home from his office. While entering the locality, he noticed that the people littered around the road and the locality park. He decided to clean up the area. He called his friend to the clubhouse and decided to clean the locality this weekend. They on Sunday they gathered and do Shramdan in the area and also played some games in the locality park. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 4 characters, 2 males and 2 females. The age bracket is between 18 to 52 years. The action of my story is spending time with the family and cleaning up the surroundings. Radhika, an 18-year-old college student, when returned back from her college in the summer vacation, saw the surroundings in their society, their empty plots and the gardens a little bit dirty with plastic and other waste littered all over there. She with her family decided to clean up the ground. She gathered all the family members. They reached the park. They collected all the essential materials to clean the garden. They also collected bags, plastic bottles, plastic polythenes, and other bits and waste that were littered all around the ground and the empty plot. After cleaning up the ground, they together spent quality time, and after returning home, they chit-chatted and had lunch together.
Jai Hind everybody. From the above picture, I perceived 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female, in the age bracket of 20 to 22 years, all mood positive. It is a scene of a cleanliness drive which is organized in a village. Ram, a 20 years old college-going individual, is running his own NGO by the name Jagruk Bharat. Has participated in an initiative run by a state government of Madhya Pradesh in a leadership of Chief Minister to organize a cleanliness drive in all the villages of the Madhya Pradesh. So he participated with his 3 more friends and organized a drive in a village near Bhopal and gave a very good speech in front of all the state dignitaries, signifying the importance of cleanliness around in the surrounding. And he was as an idol of Mahatma Gandhi. Also organized a helping hand for the people who are in old age in the rural areas, and taught other individuals who are young there to importance of helping the people who are in old age. And by seeing his efforts in a good manner, all the state dignitaries facilitated him with a state award. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 4 characters. 2 are female and 2 are male. The age bracket is between 15 to 32 years of age. Overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is values can be learned from the surroundings. Rohini, 16-year-old girl, she is a student of class 9. She is a student of class 9th, lives in Bhopal with her family. On the occasion of her birthday, she asked her parents to clean surroundings. She, along with her parents and younger brother, cleaned the garden, planted some saplings, fed the puppies, and also wrote some slogans like Clean India, Green India. Her efforts were appreciated by her parents and the neighbors. She was one of the inspiration for the children of the society. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown, I have perceived four characters, two male, two female, and the age ranging between 21 to 24 years. The overall mood is pretty positive. The action of my story is cleanliness drive at the park. Ram is a 24-year-old undergraduate at Barkatullah University pursuing BA Humanities. He has visited his hometown during the Diwali vacations to celebrate it with his family and friends. Upon the Diwali, the next day he visited to the society park, and there he saw the litterings of the firecrackers and the packets done by the society members. He called his friends, and they started to pick up the packets and clean the area. He also informed his society manager and asked him to impose a fine to avoid the litterings. Upon the cleaning of all the areas and the parks, they also called for a small gathering for all the society members and created an awareness to stop the littering, and they were happy and enjoyed the Diwali with other members. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived four characters from my story, two males and two females. Age bracket is between 28 to 30 years. Overall mood of story is positive. Action of my story is organizing a cleanliness drive in society. Kamla, a 28-year-old corporate lawyer, works at an MNC. During evening, she used to go around the society to have a fun evening with her friends. One day, outside society, she saw that there were garbage littered around. So she called the authorities to inform and told them to keep a dustbin so that people throw the garbage in the dustbin. Next day, she thought that she would announce in the society to organize a cleaning drive with her friends. So they announced that everyone who is interested to join the cleanliness drive can join. So everyone in the society joined the cleanliness drive, and they cleared the area near the society. And after some days, she got the news that dustbins were installed outside the society, and now the area was clean. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. So I have perceived four characters. Two are males and two are females. The age is around 20 to 25 years. The overall mood is positive. Action of my story is cleaning up the garden or the open area of the society for the plantation. So Ria was a student of environmental science in the university, and she was roaming in the society, and one day she find that society garden was very littered with the garbage, and then she decided with the three of the more friends to clean that, they clean the garbage and planted some trees for for not misusing the open place, and then inaugurated that with the whole society and celebrated a small gathering with them.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived four characters, two are female and two are male. The age bracket is between 21 to 22. Overall mood is positive. Action of the story revolves around conduction of cleanliness drive at regional park. The main protagonist of my story is Ria, who is a final year student of engineering in Allen City, Bhopal. She realizes that there is upcoming cleanliness drive on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti because under Swachh Bharat campaign. She decided to motivate her friends and encourage them to participate in it. She went there along with her friends and ensured that she carry all the necessary things like sanitizer, gloves, and they started cleaning all the things. They picked up all the wrappers and plastic bags, and they also decided to dispose it in the nearby recycling plant. After that, everybody appreciated Ria's effort and felt happy, and Ria felt deep sense of fulfillment for her social work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived four characters. Two are male and two are female. the age ranging between 16 years to 40 years, and the action of my story is teaching the responsibility towards the nature. Radha, 40 years, working woman, was an environmentalist, and she used to teach her children about the environment and teach the responsibility towards the nature. One day, on the birthday of her husband, she takes her children and husband to the park, and they start cleaning the park. And also she explains the science behind the plastics in the environment, how it harms the environment. She teaches her husband and children about the science and also the responsibility towards the nature. In this way, they learn, they enjoy, and they make a great time with each other, and they happily go to the home. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female. The age bracket is between 27 to 30 years of age. Overall the mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is cleanliness drive in the locality. Ram, a 27-year-old secretary of Gokulam society. He was observing from a few days that the cleanliness in the society is decreasing day by day. People are not concerned about the deteriorating cleanliness in the society. He decided to discuss the matter in the society. Later, he called a society meeting and told everyone about the cons about the unhygienic surroundings. Later, with the proper equipment, they decided to start a cleanliness drive on the next weekend. After the cleanliness drive, they were too happy and happy by the hard work and the social work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I have perceived 4 characters in my story. I have perceived 4 characters in my story. 2 are male and 2